All right, this is Craig with Do It Your Damn Self. With all the debate going on down south in Austin about the constitutional carry or the concealed carry, one thing everyone really needs to agree on is you need to maintain your weapon properly. That means cleaning and oiling. You will never ever regret having a well-working weapon when you need it. You will regret not having one ready. So, what I'm going to do first is go through the process of disassembling and reassembling your weapon. This is the Israeli Weapons Baby Eagle, the Desert Eagle 9mm model. I love this gun. It is very easy to clean and maintain. First thing, make sure it is empty. Yep, okay, good. Examine it. We're clean. Okay. All right, did you take the slide off? Don't let these come apart. And that is it. To reassemble is a little more tricky. Don't let the springs get tangled up. Okay, so we're going to take it apart and we're going to clean. All right, I keep my gun very clean and very well maintained, so I'm going to give you the Reader's Digest version of doing this. This is easy. Wear rubber gloves if you choose. I personally choose to, due to the solvents and the lead in the bullets is very bad to your system. So keep it off your hands. And if you do get it on your hands, as soon as you get done cleaning your weapon, wash your hands really, really well. Okay, always have everything right out in front of you. I'm going to give you the Reader's Digest version of this because I keep my weapon very clean and very well maintained. The metal brush gets the lead out, quite literally. The nylon brush just kind of finishes that job. If you see any black anywhere, go ahead and get that. Soot and lead are bad for your weapon. Okay, that's good. Don't be afraid just to get in there. It's all part of the whole get your hands dirty thing, and know your weapon. It is very important to know how to operate your weapon and use it in a safe manner. The best way to do it is just like now, with nobody else around. Always make sure that you have an empty weapon no matter what. You're doing something like this. You're cleaning. These brushes are meant for this, so don't be afraid just to get the nylon brush in there. I wouldn't use the metal brush on your weapon. You will lose the bluing and the paint. Okay. Don't be afraid to clean everything. Soot gets everywhere in these things. Everything should have just a little bit of oil. Go until you don't see any more black or gray coming out. All right. Inspect the action. Make sure everything looks clean in there. If not, carefully get in there. Clean it out. We're pretty much ready to reassemble. Don't get frustrated if the spring didn't go in right away. Sometimes it is a pain, but it's worth doing it your damn self, right? Do not let those springs go flying. They will. All right, we have a clean and ready weapon. We need to put it away somewhere safe. I personally keep the bullets away from the gun, but where I can get to them easily. So, from the do-it-your-damn-self gun cleaning area, this is Craig saying, do it your damn self.